Assalamualaikum. Good morning to everyone. Class 8. Hope so you all are fine. Yesterday we started your unit number 11, that is about deforestation. So you have read about deforestation, what it is, what kind of process it is. So what is the condition in Pakistan. So after that you have studied about the main causes of this large scale deforestation in Pakistan. So first one was sprawling growth of cities. Okay, second one was building of roads, and third one was the increase in demand of industrial products, right? Today we are going to study about the next cause, that is overgrazing. Kindly open page number 108. Yes, overgrazing. Overgrazing of land by cattle, sheep, and goats have converted subtropical and tropical thorn forest areas into desert. You know that when the cattle overgraze the land, means when the overgrazing is exceeded, then you know that the subtropical and tropical forest कन्वर्टेड इनटू एरियाज़ आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू डेजर्ट. तो ये जो ओवर ग्रेजिंग हो रही है, शीप्स और गॉड्स जो हैं वो ओवर ग्रेजिंग करते हैं लैंड के ऊपर, तो जो ट्रीज़ हैं या फॉरेस्ट हैं वो डेजर्ट में तब्दील हो रहे हैं. ठीक है. द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन कैन बी डिवास्टेटिंग मीन हाईली डैमेजिंग. Deforestation can damage to the environment, usually stemming from its ability to cause land erosion. Stemming mean originate. Obviously, I told you in the beginning, just because of this deforestation, there is a huge change in environment, and secondly, land erosion is one of the effect. Means इसकी वजह से डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से लैंड इरोजन हो रही है. ठीक है. So when an area is cleared, the soil under the surface is essentially stripped of the roots and provided its structural integrity and support. Without this support, the force of water, gravity, or both can cause the land to move either as one piece or more commonly steadily and incrementally. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड. व्हेन द एरिया इज़ क्लियर्ड, जब एक एरिया क्लियर हो जाता है तो इट इज़ ईजी टू स्ट्रिप ऑफ द रूट्स. ठीक है. तो उसके लिए ज़मीन के लिए जगह से हिल जाना, सरफेस को हिला देना उसके लिए ईजी हो जाता है. ट्रीज से तो आपको पता है ग्रिप होती है ज़मीन में. ठीक है. तो लैंड इरोजन कम होती है. व्हेन एन एरिया इज़ क्लियर्ड, द सॉइल अंडर द सरफेस इज एसेंशियल स्ट्रिप्ड ऑफ मीन टू रिमूव एनीथिंग बाय स्ट्रिपिंग. To remove anything by stripping, STRIPPING, stripping of the roots that provide structural integrity and support. Integrity means togetherness. TOGATHERNESS. ठीक है. जो सपोर्ट उनको ट्रीज से मिली होती है तो वो वीक हो जाती है और उससे ज़मीन जो है वो ईज़िली स्ट्रिप कर सकती है. ठीक है. मूव कर सकती है. विदाउट दिस सपोर्ट द फोर्स ऑफ वाटर, ग्रेविटी और बोथ कॉज द लैंड टू मूव. ठीक है. जब उसके ऊपर ट्रीज़ नहीं होंगे तो सपोर्ट नहीं होगी. तो जो है इससे वाटर की फोर्स से वो ज़मीन जो है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव कर सकती है. ग्रेविटी मीन्स द फोर्स दैट अट्रैक्ट्स. सो without this support, the force of water, gravity or both can cause the land to move either as one piece or more commonly steadily and incrementally regular increase. तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता या तो ज़मीन का कुछ हिस्सा मूव कर जाएगा या तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता सारी ज़मीन मूव करती जाएगी. ठीक है. तो आपको पता है कि ट्रीज़ से जो है वो ज़मीन स्ट्रांग होती है. जब ट्रीज़ नहीं होंगे, फॉरेस्ट कम होंगे तो ज़मीन का मूव करना, लैंड इरोजन जो है वो इट इज़ very much possible. Is it clear? Next paragraph. Deforestation is a severe environmental destruction which cannot be revived if damaged at current rate. People cut down trees to meet out their own needs without considering future outcome. They do not recognize about the damage. Okay, they are doing. They do not recognize about the damage they are doing. The deforestation affects the plant life. People have general impression that if trees and plants are cut down, they will grow back in a few years. Plants will ultimately grow back, but the forest will be changed into secondary forest and may never be the same. Yes, deforestation is severe environmental destruction which cannot be revived. Revived mean regain life or strength. If damaged at a current rate, so you know that it cannot be possible to come back at the same place very easily. Means deforestation कुछ environmental destruction हो रहा है which cannot be revived, which cannot regain life or which cannot regain strength इफ़ डैमेज एट द करंट रेट. जिस तरह आजकल का रेट चल रहा है, अगर इसी तरह डैमेज होता रहा तो वो रिवाइवल उसका मुश्किल होगा. ठीक है. Okay, people cut trees to meet their own needs without considering future outcome. Yes, people are cutting trees for their own sake or for their own need. They do not care about the future outcome. They do not recognize about the damage they are doing. Yes, they are ignoring the damage. They are ignoring the impact of deforestation. The deforestation affects the plant life. People have general impression that if trees and plants are cut down, they will grow back in a few years. Obviously, they think that if they are cutting down the trees, they will plant more trees. So you know that what is written over here, that plants will ultimately grow back. So but the forest will be changed into a secondary forest, so it will not be like that kind of forest which was before the cutting of the time. ठीक है. जिस टाइम जो है वो पहले उसकी जो शेप थी या जो पहले की तरह का फॉरेस्ट था वो ऐसा नहीं होगा. इट विल बी सेकेंडरी फॉरेस्ट एंड इट विल नेवर बी सेम. If preventive measures are not taken immediately to stop the process of deforestation, human will be under the grip of severe crisis. Preventive means to prevent. ठीक है. So and they may lose animals, plants, and there are great possibilities of fatal disease which could severely harm the mankind. We must join hands to work out a plant that is appropriate for the environment. So there should be some preventive measures to stop the deforestation. Otherwise, the human will be in crisis. Crisis means a time of difficulty, or we will lose animals, plants. So there will be fatal diseases. Fatal means causing death. अगर डिफॉरेस्टेशन को स्टॉप ना किया तो these all problems will be we will be facing all these problems. Okay, so we must join hands to work out a plan to work out a plan that is appropriate for environment. So we should work for our environment. We should plant more and more trees to maintain the environment, to maintain our appropriate environment. So your chapter is completed now.